Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today, man. Today I have a package that is so big, I decided to start the video off a whole different way. Usually I'm at the table getting ready to unbox whatever we getting in today, but this box is so big, I really just wanted to stand back real quick and let y'all see how big this box is. But check this out. This has to be, without a doubt, the biggest box that I've ever unboxed before, to the point where I'm not even sure how I want to do the thumbnail. Now, I believe I do have an idea of where this box is from. I looked on the tag and it is not saying. So I'm kind of surprised, but I think I do know where this is from. So without further ado, let's get into the details, man. But before we open this box up, man, make sure if you are not subscribed to my channel, you hit that subscribe button, guys. We are super close to 60K. Let's make that happen. And other than that, man, let's get into it. I'm excited. Also, guys, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I'm dropping bangers just like this. And also, last but not least, follow me on Instagram. It is always linked down below. But yes, huge package to the point where I'm not even sure if this can all fit on one screen when we go back down to like the table, so bear with me. But we're gonna try to get this open and talk about and see exactly what's in it. All right, see y'all in a second. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we here at the table. Let's get into it, man. I'm not gonna waste any of y'all time. I'm gonna get this package back up on the table, and we gonna see what this is about. Now, before I open this up, I do have to say it's pretty cool because they got my name on the side, Sniper Jones, in big bold print. So it definitely got me very cautious and very, you know what I'm saying, anxious of what it is. On this, it says live plants handled with care, this side up. Seems like a theme. Is it theme based? Live plants. I'm not sure if Cactus Plant Flea Market isn't doing anything, so I'm not sure what that could mean. Live plants handled with care. I'm not sure. The suspense can wait no longer, bro. I'm about to go for it, bro. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to turn it sideways because this is where the top at. And we're going to start it over. Now, comment down below what you think could be in this package. And if you get this right, well, I know a lot of y'all going to finesse it and cheat anyway. Y'all going to wait till like the end of the video and just comment what you know it already is. But I want to see if anybody can just guess what this is based off of like what came out the last few weeks. Wow. Okay, so we got this back up here. I'm gonna turn it upside down and see what we got first. We got some bubble wrap first, and it is plant-based. Oh, it's a theme. It's a whole theme with these. Okay, let's do it. Oh, snap. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It is theme-based. It is a theme-based. Check out this packaging, and I know who this is from. Yes. Shout out to the one, the only Hibbett Sports, bruh. Now, I have gotten so many things from Hibbett Sports, I don't know where to begin. I have gotten, man, Seattle 10s, Court Purple 2.0s, Air Jordan Fire Red 5. Like, the list continues with so many Air Jordan retros. They didn't even send me over Adidas sneakers like the 4D printed midsole. Like, but however, they have never sent me over something with a theme package. And this is cool because I always love stuff like this. So I'm gonna let y'all check this out. Of course, I'm gonna have B-roll. But y'all see it has the floral, the flowers everywhere. And it says, together we grow, united we thrive, with the Nike swoosh on the box. On the side of this box, it got the Nike swoosh, and it also has more plants on the box as well. On the back, it has plants. And on the side, it says N7. So in a nutshell, N7 is basically a commitment from Nike to make sure they bring sport and benefits to the Native American and aboriginal communities. And I think they're doing a great job with these sneakers that they've been releasing the last few days. I believe what came with the N7, they had like a Kyrie N7, Air Max 90, or was it an Air Max 1 N7? I'm not sure all of the things, but I know they had a Kyrie and they had an Air Max as well. I have no idea what's inside the box and what they got with it. I'm loving this theme though. Hibbett, thank you so much for the theme. This is what I love to unbox, and I know the people, the subscribers, love to see stuff like this too. So y'all are just making this amazing for me, bro. I'm actually very excited to open this up. So I'm gonna drop this, open it up, and see what we have. So check this out, man. This is crazy. Look at this. They got a basketball here. They got, what is this? Some tea here. Okay, so it's a native candle. So we got the native candle here. We got some dandelion tea up here at the top left. We also got some healing aloe hydro grow kit. And then at the bottom, what is it? Yoka root. I'm not really sure what the Yoka root is, but this also says, together we grow, united we thrive. By far, easily, without a doubt, this is the coolest, this is the best thing you guys have ever sent to me. Thank you guys for sending me all the things y'all ever sent me, but this packaging, this unboxing, this is a great experience, man. I'm gonna remember this one for a while. It also has a basketball in the middle, and it's carrying a, what is this a real? It is a real cactus. Yo, like, bro, it is a real plant. Hold on. Nah. This can't be real. Let me see something real quick. Let me see if I can grab this out real quick. This can't be real, bro. I think this is a real cactus. Is it? Y'all see the basketball here with the cactus? I think this is a real cactus, bro. I think it's a real thing. This is wild. Yo, Hibbit, y'all have outdone yourself on this one, man. Like, man, this is crazy. So let me put this back. Let me put this back inside the ball. I'm definitely gonna hang this up behind me somewhere in the studio for sure. But as of right now, we're just gonna put this over here to the side with the rest of the great things they sent over, and of course this as well. Now let's get to what we have inside the box. Now inside the box we have some clothing here. We got a shirt. Let me see, let me check this out. A Nike shirt with the tribal rings on it, or at least the tribal triangles. You guys see that? Nike shirt, like this colorway, very, very smooth. And of course, it also has another Nike shirt. Are these my size? They're my size. So we get the black Nike shirt, and of course, we get the white Nike shirt as well. Both of those have like those rings, those Native American rings, and some Native American colors, which is pretty cool. Now for the part you guys all been waiting for. It is, in my opinion, the best pair of sneakers that came out with this release, and that is the Kyrie N7. Look at this, bro. Bro, first of all, you guys know I've been hooping a lot more lately. I have been hooping a lot more lately. I'm doing a lot more basketball videos coming up very, very soon. Only like when this pandemic is over with and the gyms are back open, I can start recording and giving y'all more footage. But thanks to Hibbit Sports, I do have a brand new pair of sneakers to hoop in. I'm so thankful that they sent me these and not those Air Maxes, because even though the Air Maxes was cool, I wouldn't have wore them as much as I will wear these, bro. These are fire. You got this back heel that got like a seeing eye on the back. It also has like that seeing eye on the inner side of the sneaker as well in red. You get this nice turquoise, almost like a teal blue on the outer sole. See a red Nike swoosh here. And I also love like the outer side of this Kyrie, because this is the one I believe a lot of people was doing that, what was that? Like the Red October Yeezy 2 vibe to, when you can create your own sneaker with this Kyrie on Nike.com. I think a lot of people was doing that. I'm also loving that overstrap with the Nike swoosh on it as well. It reminds me of like the KD4 back in the day. Shout out to all my people out there who remember the KD4. But why? Hey, I am really blown away. This is a lot, man. This is a lot. This is way more than I expected coming in here on a Tuesday. I don't know when this video gonna be up, but I am recording this on a Tuesday, and I was not expecting this for a Tuesday. This is beyond my wildest imagination, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. Very quickly for the main event, which is the Kyrie N7. Let's just quickly go over some of the details and some of the things that I personally love in the Kyrie. A lot of people don't know I hoop in Kyries as we speak. When I was in college playing basketball, I loved hooping in the Kyrie 1. So to have another Kyrie to the collection is perfect for me. We're gonna start with the outer sole. White at the top, has the teal blue in the middle, back to white, and it also has like this orangish, creamish colorway. You see the Kyrie Irving logo or the autograph on the outer sole, as well as that seeing eye that you will see in the rest of the sneaker. Moving up to the midsole, you still see some of that teal blue moving up to the uppers. And what I like about this midsole is a lot of times, you know, when you're wearing basketball shoes, a lot of them aren't the best when it comes to traction and aren't the best when it comes to grip. One thing about the Kyrie, ever since the Kyrie 1, is the grip definitely comes all the way up the entire shoe to like the forefront, close to the toe box. So even if you hooping and you like on the side, or you do a step back, or you at a crazy angle, you still have complete control of your feet and you're not slipping and moving out the way. Also on the inside of the shoe, it says engineered to the exact specifications of, and I don't know how to say that name. Maybe Halea. I'm not sure who Halea is or what Halea stands for, but that is what it says on the inside. Hopefully I can show you guys that on the B-roll. Also on the inside of the shoe, you see that CNI I was telling you guys about, which brings me back over to this wolved Nike swoosh right here on the inner side. There's some nice suede right here as well. Now the toe box is definitely a little bit different material. I'm not sure what this is on the forefront, but I'm definitely sure that it will be locked down. The Kyrie Irving does have that zoom turbo technology in the outer show to make sure when you running and jumping, you definitely get a nice cushion whenever you're moving around. The tan shoestrings with this nice Velcro strap over the top with the Nike swoosh over the top as well. I love being able to strap down my basketball sneakers, even though it comes fully laced with a full lace system. It's just nothing better than just securing that by just lacing it over. The only thing is sometimes if you're lazy or sometimes if you're messy, your lace can get caught up on the Velcro, and that's how like a lot of times your laces can get weak, damaged, or broken. So just make sure you stay away from that. Other than that, man, also on the prime side of the shoe, you see Kyrie right here next to like the tribal rings, and it does have that nice Native American type vibe going on the side panel of the shoe, and you even see that behind the netting on the back of the shoe as well. Headed to the back heel of the sneaker, you get your all seeing eye once again. I'm not really sure what that's about, man. I know Kyrie definitely is into stuff like that. He's a weird guy, even though he's a scoring machine. Okay, he's a bucket. He's a weird guy. Of course, you see the Kyrie Irving logo on the tongue, and that's pretty much it for your Kyrie N7. Like I said, in my opinion, the best N7 to be able to drop in this collection. Huge shout out to Hibbett Sports, man. I don't even know where to begin. This is probably my favorite unboxing of 2020. Without a doubt, no, there's no question. This is my best, and it is my favorite unboxing of 2020. I have not unboxed anything like this before in my life. This was absolutely amazing. I gotta show this one more time, bro. Let me bring out this amazing plat that they put together. The cactus plant, man. You got the native candle. You got the dandelion tea up here. You got the healing aloe hydro growth. You got all types of stuff going on right here, bro. This is where it's at. I've never seen that like this on YouTube before. Like, this is crazy. This is what creators dream for, to be able to do stuff like this. So Hibbett, thank you once again. If you guys want to check out anything that they have over on the website, I'm pretty sure that they have these locked and loaded and the other N7 drops that did take place. Make sure you check out the link down below. Of course, they will be linked. Tell them that your boy Sniper Jones sent you. I am truly thankful and appreciative for everything. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.